this class, we want to manage governance via Azure policy. So the first thing that we need to do is to first create a storage account. So we are going to do that through that CLI or the PowerShell now. So here we are creating the resource group and the region. I have to use this North Europe, then the storage account and the file share. So deployment is in progress. So after this deployment, I want to let me just confirm if the name of the storage account. I picked it though, but you can see. So DF is to confirm, and that's the storage account. So this is me reviewing the storage account that I created. So from here, I want to also pick the resource group, as you can see. So from the resource group, that is where I'll click on the tags. Then I'll name the tags, the value of the name, which is role, and the value is infra, right? So I am applying that. So after this, I want to go back to the portal and try and you know create a policy definition. So, but before I can do that, you can filter to whatever you want. So for the definition type, I want policy. So that's why I click policy. For the policy type, I want built-in policy, right? That's why I apply that. And then for the category, I want tags. So that's why I type that, and you can see I pick tags. So now I want to just see which one do I want to pick here. So I scroll down to the last one, and I think okay. Let me just pick this. Require a tag, right? Require a tag and its value on resources. So if you want to review this, you can just go through that and review whatever you want to review on that. So here, all I need to do is just to assign the policy. And after that, I need to, put the scope of the policy that I just assigned. So I'll pick the resource group from the scope. That's why I pick the governance resource group. Then I need to just review. So this one, it's not a must, but I just want to put a description there because I'm using the governance resource group. So then for the parameters, I want it to be rule and the value is infra, like I put there. So for the remediation, I don't need that, so I can just create now. So the policy definition has been created now. So the next thing I need to do is to go back to the portal and to the resource group, and I can see from the resource group. So I can just check. Now I want to create a storage account from that resource group now. So that's why I start search for storage account. So let me create a storage account and let me see if I'll be able to even create a storage account. Don't forget, I've added a policy. So I want to see if the policy will be implemented now or if because um, since I said if that policy is not assigned, if it is not assigned, we will not be able to create a storage account. That's the essence of that policy. So let me see, are we going to be able to create a storage account here? Now, that's the essence of me creating a storage account from that resource. Oh, now we have an error. So let's read what does that say? Okay, so it says this is allowed by policy. Fine. So this is not a bad thing. So the next, let me just duplicate this page and let me just pick my authentication name that's Adini. All right. So now we can see that we are unable to create a storage account because of the policy assignment. So now I want to now create another storage account, right? Let me see based on, but at this time I want to be able to add a tag. Wait, let me change. Okay, let me just give this a name. Lab. Let me change the resource group back to that one is picking the default. Let me change it back to the governance. All right. So the next thing I think this is fine. So I can just review and create here. All right. So, but before I do that, I need to delete this assignment, right? So, but while I'm doing that, I want to assign, that policy, right? So let me just from the scope, I need to just pick the resource group. That's governance RG. Select, okay. So I can just for the policy definition, so I can just click on that ellipsis and pick the policy definition. Okay, so let me just put inherit. I want it to inherit from resource group. Inherit a tag from resource group. That's me trying to create another storage account now. So okay, I think this is it. Inherit tag from resource group if missing. All right, add. Okay, so this is fine. I can just copy that and paste it. It's just your choice if you want it. So let me just put governance RG here, and that's fine. Okay, enable, review, and create. So, but for the parameters, let me just put rule. For the remediation, let me enable that. Okay, check. And compliance, non-compliance, I think I can leave that. System assign, that's fine. All right, not a that's fine. So let me just review and create this. So let's see what's going to happen here. So policy assignments, so we've been able to assign another policy to that resource group, right? So the next thing that we need to do is to go back to the storage account we're trying to create earlier and and recreate, like revalidate and create. So that's why I clicked on one of the um, options, and let's see if we will be able to create it. Let's see if this one will be succeeded now. Okay, in progress. Submitting deployment. All right. Okay. Deployment in progress. Let's see. Okay. It's looking like this is in progress. It's looking like it will be succeeded. Right. Oh, cool. So you can see now the policy that was assigned actually have effect because I deleted the first one and I assigned another policy inherit from resource group. I hope this helped you in your journey to write your certification. Thank you.